be dealing here with someone who is an Asian but doesn't have to be. But I do pick up that there is someone here, okay, like there's difference between you, like different culture, different country, kung saan kayo pinanganak, no? Or there's differences sa beliefs or religion, no? Doesn't have to be na taga-ibang bansa siya or foreigner siya, okay? Just take out this resonates. But with this escapade here, I do sense that there is some kind of a journey na tingin ko is sasakyan or willing ka to go on this journey together with this person over here. So yeah, could be dealing with Chinese or Asian kind of thing. No, if you're dealing here with foreigner, but doesn't have to be. Let's not get fixed to it. But this person could also be someone here who is physically attractive or malakas yung appeal niya. Yan. Doesn't have to be ni Asian lang, no? That's strongly kasi that we're getting, so I have to mention it. Whatever this journey will bring, I think it will go up. With the ascension, there's this strong ascending or there's this kind of, pag in-explore mo tong journey na to, like wala tong ibang pupuntahan kundi paangat or pataas. Ooh, see? Let's see what's happening here. So, hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, wala tayong gender, bahay, lalaki, LGBT plus watchers. You're all welcome here, mga babes, no? You can flip those if you want, and syempre, timeless din ito. Pwedeng nangyari na sa iba, pwedeng nangyayari naman sa kasalukuyan para sa iba, at pwedeng hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future. So, yun ang aalamin natin rito mga babes, no? Just take only what resonates here, but I do pick up positivity out of this reading. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out for you, guys. Oh, okay. So, inatag na muna natin lahat bago natin simulan ang reading na to na pag-usapan pa more. So, let's see. May nakikita akong pag-uusap dito. Well, as from the looks of it, okay, I'm getting this message, no, na bibilis ang heartbeat mo, ang pagtibok ng puso mo dito, no? Wala kang sakit sa puso, no? Pero feeling mo parang may ganun kasi ang bilis ng kabog at tibok ng puso mo, no? Dahil sa pag-uusap na ito. This will caught you by surprise. Yun na nakikita ko rito, surprise. Ito, no? At mukhang sorpresa ito sa kung sino man yung kausap mo, no? Sa internet, sa text message, sa phone call, sa video call, sa FaceTime, sa Viber, sa email, sa anumang social media, no? With the vlog, with the plugged and pop out, I do pick up no, na ito yung kakonek mo, yan, no? Kausap mo for quite some time now. Kadil mo na ito, no, at hindi mo ina-expect na magkakaroon rito, no, ng something surprising. Kasi meron siya ritong naiisip, no, na surpresahin ka. Oo, isa na naman pong spoiler ang inyong lingkod, no? Pero ano magagawa natin, no? Kailangan natin sabihin kung ano man yung mga nakikita natin dito. Kung meron man kayong kausap, ngayon, no, like literally you're happy talking to that person, curious ka, ano pa yung mga tungkol sa kanya, no? Pero like mo na siya. Yan, no? Like mo na yung person na yon, gusto mo siya mga babes, no, nakausap, no, masaya ka kapag ka nagcha-chat kayo, no, or nagbe-video call, no, like happy ka, no, and you could probably meet this person here online for others of you, pero I'm seeing you na nag-uusap kayo, no, gamit yung makabagong teknolohiya, which is online, no? So, pwedeng any social media platforms like Messenger, Instagram, IG Direct, ganyan, no? Or any form of mobile, no? Or cellular camera. So, pwede rin namang text message or phone call, no, through SIM cards yan, no. So, nakikita ko rito, no, that this person here will surprise you, no, yung kausap mo lang siya, no, tapos, ayun na pala, no, meron na pala siyang sasabihin rito na magkita kayo bigla, no, this person here is preparing for some kind of a meeting, no, with the interview, talk yun eh, conversation yan eh, no, parang ang dating niya, I'm picking up na magkakaroon rito ng cold feet eh, and I do sense na energy mo yun, no? Cold feet which means, no, parang nervousin ka kasi hindi ka prepared eh. This is caughting you by surprise, no? Hindi ka prepared dito sa meetup na to, no? Like literally, there could be possibly distance kasi with the hot air balloon in there, no? Posibleng magkalayo ang inyong lokasyon ng tirahan, no? Pwedeng siya ay sa ibang bansa at ikaw ay nasa Pilipinas or vice versa. Or pwede rin naman na hindi sa ibang bansa pero may distansya, no? Sa lokasyon ninyong dalawa. So dito hindi mo ine-expect, no, na may surprise siya rito na magkita kayo like literally, no, "Andito ako sa Manila ngayon." Yung gano'n na bigla siya magcha-chat na parang, "Ha, hala, akala ko nandun siya sa ano," sabihin natin na, "Nasa ibang bansa ka pero ba't nandito ka na sa Manila?" Yan. May gano'n, 'no, may pa-surpresa ritong visit, 'no, unexpected ito sa nakikita ko, 'no. Like hindi mo talaga inaasahan kaya 'pag nagkita kayo parang parang magpa-panic ka, yung nakita ko rito, eh, 'no. Pero with the racing love right in there, 'no, parang you feel like "Di ko alam yung gagawin ko, ano ba 'to, sabihin ko ba next time na lang?" Yan 'no, ang nagre-raise dito ay walang iba kundi yung heartbeat mo. Kasi you like that person, eh, 'no? You like that person, gusto mo siyang makita, makilala pa more, 'no? Kaya ganyan yung aaktuhin mo kasi you feel like na parang kailangan prepared ako kasi ayoko magpakita sa kanya kasi gusto mo magkaroon ng ganda points or pogi points sa kanya 'no. Lalo na puwedeng biglaan 'to, like literally puwedeng, "Labas ka naman dun sa kanto, nandito ako." So ayan ngayon pa lang maghanda ka na 'no. So yung iba naman na wala kayong kausap 'no, prepare yourself kasi nakikita ko dito may ma-meet kayo 'no, someone na kakausapin ninyo online, 'yan 'no. So nakikita ko dito mga babes na kung sino man 'yan magugustuhan mo siya 'no, at hindi mo rin ini-expect 'no na aabot sa punto na makikipagkita siya sa'yo, makikipag-meet siya sa'yo in person lalo na kung nandun siya sa malayong lugar, 'di ba? So 'yan, nakikita ko rito na bibilis ang tibok ng puso mo 'no, pero hindi mo naman kailangan mag-ECG. Kasi normal naman ang iyong heart 'no, healthy naman yung heart mo, it's just that kakabahan ka, 'yan. Kasi parang anong nangyari, parang feeling mo nasa isang interview kayo, parang feeling mo mag-a-apply ka sa trabaho tapos yung mga mag-i-interview sa'yo panel interview, ganyan 'no. Alam mo ganun yung feeling kapagka like mo yung person, 'di ba? Kapag gusto mo yung tao 'no, kinakabahan ka, parang parang ano 'no, kahit nakatayo yung isa mong baby bang, gusto mo naka-flat yan, yung maayos yung itsura mo, yung feeling mo yung gandang-ganda ka sa sarili mo, gwapong-gwapo ka, ano, yung feeling mo, ang bango-bango mo talaga, na gusto mo yung prepared ka talaga 'no, kapagka yung gustong tao mo yung makakamit or makakaharap mo, yan 'no. So dito parang, "Anong gagawin ko, hindi pa nga ako nag-aano, naliligo," mga ganyan 'no. So nakikita kitang gano'n. So, ilatag pa natin more 'no, access granted, 'yan. Alam mo sa nakikita ko rito, tingnan mo social media, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, eh, makakausap niyo 'yan 'no, with the plug tapos social media, okay? It do pick up na puwedeng yung iba sa inyo nakilala niyo siya sa social media, okay? Or puwede naman na nakilala niyo siya through a friend or someone you know 'no, tapos do'n na lang kayo nag-usap sa social media or any form of mobile or cellular phone 'no, na conversations 'no. And I do pick up 'no, that with this one, okay, this is not someone here hiding with negative intentions, hindi ko 'yun nakukuha sa kanya 'no. Pero nakita ko rito na bago ka pa niya nakilala parang, excited na siya na mas makilala ka pa at makita ka in person. Excited siya to get to know more about you, excited siya na makausap ka talaga. So, ibig sabihin bago pa kayo nag-usap 'no, may posibilidad 'no na, puwedeng type ka na niya agad 'no, just by looking at you, no, first time pa lamang, no. So this person here, actually hindi ko nakita na nagbase siya sa physical appearance, no, kaya kanya naging type or nagustuhan. There's something that this person felt, yun yung nakita ko rito, because we have here the racing and the love, no. Meron ditong parang with the plug-in, meron ditong parang naramdaman siya, no, something going on spiritually and energetically, telepathically it is, no. Na pagkakita niya sa'yo, parang, wow, meron na siya agad na na-feel, 'di ba? So yun, okay? So kung maganda ka, pogi ka talaga, 'no, dagdag bonus na lang yun, pero hindi hindi siya nagbase sa physical appearance mo. It might look na ganun yun, pero hindi, okay? Ang naramdaman niya is something telepathically, something energetically and spiritually. Okay, so let's keep moving from here. We have here this, yeah, look at that. See? Right at the center of this reading is the meeting, two or more people here. Yeah, you could be meeting this person here because introduce siya ng friend, no, sa'yo. Like, literally, magkikita talaga kayo, no. Nakikita ko rito na plinano niya na talaga tong meeting na to. So, this is somewhat surprise, no. So, yung iba, pwedeng may kasama siya rito na friend, no, kasi yun yung mag-introduce in person sa inyo. Iba naman, pwedeng siya lang. Pero whatever the case may be, surprise meeting talaga 'to, like visit, magkikita kayo face to face, 'no? Like magkikita kayo rito in person, magkakakilanlan kayo, nakikita ko rito, 'no? At sa mga flowers nito, I do pick up that romance is about to bloom from here. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito, 'di ba? Love is coming, yun yung nakikita ko here for you guys. So, whatever the case may be, kahit na mga babes, 'no, yung maramdaman mo pa has something to do with baka mag-panic ka or feeling mo, ano ba 'to nararamdaman ko, parang gusto ko kailangan mas maging maganda ako mas sa harapan niya or mas maging gwapo ko, mabango ko sa like you do not need to, um, do extra mile here, 'no, para mag-ayos na sa sarili mo, okay? Kasi I do see that this person here is not literally attractive kasi sabi huwag kayong mag-ayos. Like, huwag kayong mag-panic kasi iba nakikita ko nagpa-panic, like manlalamig yung wala naman kayong lagnat pero manlalamig yung palad niyo or yung paa ninyo 'no, kasi kakabahan kayo. Why? Kasi this is like, first date, 'di ba? This is like first time mami-meet mo yung someone that you like, 'di ba? So gusto mo maganda ka, gwapo ka 'no, and you give your best 'no, kasi you want to leave a very good first impression, 'di ba? Pero I think you do not need to do that or no or go extra mile 'no, na mag-ayos kasi hindi naman niya kayo nakita talaga dun sa physical appearance mo 'no, kundi dun sa energetically, spiritually 'no. I can't describe it 'no, how does it work 'no, through mere words lang. But this person feels that you are something na dapat niyang i-treat special. Okay? Like this person feels right of the bath, no, or instantly that you are special. Yan, ganun, di ba? And yeah, we have here the karmic depth. You know what? I do see na kaya ganyan yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, no? Like the first time that he or she, no, nakita ka niya, okay, this person is like a sun mall, no? Or like a gift, a present because you've closed out a karmic cycle, no? Your karmic debt, yung utang ng karmic, no, na parang meron ka rito, alam mo yung karmic na mga babes, no? Kung kayo to na pinagdaanan nyo yung parang super wasak na wasak talaga yung heart, feelings, and emotions mo, no, dun sa past lover mo, no, or kung meron kang naka-in relationship in the past, like you feel like na parang naguho yung mundo mo, na bumalik ka from zero, no, like it's too painful, too heartbreak para sa'yo, then yun, no, yung karmic debt na pinagdaanan mo, no, binayaran na yun, bayad na yun. At itong tao na to, no, yung sun mo, kasi mga babes, no, is a Korean word which means present or gift, no. So, ibig sabihin, itong tao na to, kaya ganyan nararamdaman niya na may something special sa'yo because you are, okay, I mean, this person is your gift or present sa nabayaran mo karmic debt. 'Di ba? So yun, nabayaran mo kasi dito mga babes, no, yung karmic debt na yun, tapos na yung contract na yun, sarado na, no, at itong tao na to, yung naging gift mo, no, because of that, no. Strongly, kung yung pinagdaanan mo mga babes, no, na something na parang gumuho yung life mo before, no, with your past lover, no, um, strongly nakita ko na in-involve ka nun sa third party. Kaya nawasak yung mundo mo. That's one of the sign that this reading is also for you. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, no, this person here is someone meant to be na talagang pumasok at dumating sa buhay mo. Diba? We have here this receipt and synchronicities. Wow! See? Lipstick. Yan. Baka yung iba mag-red lipstick kayo. But lipstick here, okay, is a symbol of gusto nyo talagang mag-ayos. Not literally na vain kayo, no, pero you want to leave a very good impression into this person's thoughts, no, and mind, no, like this is you, no, na nakikita mo yung mga signs and clues, no, with the synchronicities. You could be seeing 1111, 222, 333, and other angel numbers, but most likely, okay, 222, okay, 111, 444 is a family number here, and okay, 333. So, nakikita ko rito na nung nakilala mo siya at kapag nagkakakilanlan na kayo, these angel numbers, no, will keep on popping out because this means something. These are your angels and spirit guides telling you that this person is meant to be in your life, no? That this person is somewhat special here, and you will see that proof, no? Na kaya ka rin ganyan umasta sa kanya, it is because you are also feeling that telepathically, spiritually, energetically, that this person also feels towards you. Yun mga babes, no? So with the infinity, yan kita mo. Infinity right here, there is something strong here that binds both of you. Yan, no? And let's see. Wish! Wow! So see, this could be your manifestation. This could be someone that you're wishing, hoping, praying, yearning for all your life. This could be that love that you're craving for. This could be the person that you want to enter your life. Maybe this could be someone here that you envision, imagining, could be someone specific here, could be someone that you already know, but for others of you, could be someone that is an ideal partner here for you. But whatever it is, I do see that this is wish being answered, being granted, and being fulfilled by the universe for you. So yun ang nakikita ko here for you, collective. And let's see at the bottom of the deck, interlude. Must have indulgence, obsession, and yeah, this is literally your Ace of Cups energy. You will both feel each other's chalice or cup of love. You will both realize it, no? Magiging aware kayo na this person here is meant to be in your life at ganun din yung person ito. Nakita ko, no, movie nights, movie dates, Netflix and chill, having bonding moments here, and you're getting obsessed with each other. Like you want to bond more, magkaroon pa rito ng mas maraming bonding moments, no? And definitely, your feelings, no, ay mai-stir pa more, and this person will also feel the same way. You are on the same page with this person, and there will be a lot of realization that this is something here na genuine at worth na bigyan mo ng time, effort, passion, and love. So definitely, mas parehas kayo, no, na finding out, coming to light right here, magiging aware na there's so much more out of this connection, no? Mas malalim at um, mas mas magiging close kayong dalawa. That's what I'm picking up. Like you're coming together as one, and this has this large potential to ascend or to grow to the next or higher level of commitment. So yeah, someone special here will definitely swift off your feet. So prepare yourself, no? Pwede naman na kayo mag-prepare now para hindi kayo, no, mag-panic or nervyusin masyado, no? Yan, lalo na kung wala pa 'to sa life niyo. Iba kasi nandito na sa life niyo 'to, no? So, whether nandito na siya sa life niyo, whether wala pa siya, this person will caught you by surprise. So yeah, expect this, honey. Thank you so much for listening. Sarang Heyo, love and light.